hope y'all can see that. Hope it's not blown out with the white background, but this is a mower I just picked off the free pile. Then I noticed it's not a mulcher. And I'm like, well, damn it, I mulch my yard. I don't want to spray grass. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this for $3. I'm going to cut it up and I'm going to try to make a mulch plate right here. I already looked. I don't know if you can see. It's got a mulch blade on it, the kind that kick the grass up and keep chopping it up, but it doesn't have a mulch plug. So I'm going to see if I can make one out of this thing. Underneath it, just trim it somewhere. As long as 3/16 in America is the same as 3/16 in China, that's all it's it. Okay, now we can start fitting. So I'm thinking that right there. Oh yeah, she'll take up the beating. You could rivet it, beat, and repeat. So this going on, which I kind of don't like, but it's kind of not that bad. Because here's the thing to remember: this. It's going to cover it up, so we're not really looking for aesthetics. It's just functionality. Maybe you think try some beating right here. Oh, yeah, that's working. Yeah, that's what I want to see. And for everybody that's been screaming, there you go. All right. go. I'm just feeling behind it how this metal is sealing against the deck, because there's a hole right here, and I'm reaching behind it and rubbing my finger and seeing if this is pretty close, because you want this somewhat airtight, and it is, man, it is. All right. Okay, you can see I've got it done, and the only thing that shows really is this right here, this little piece of metal. Finished cleaning the carburetor. I did a seafoam treatment on it, cleaned the plug, sharpened the blade, changed the oil, put the wheels up as high as I can get them because I like cutting it high. Finished mowing the front yard. Drinking one of these, and if you've never had a Fresca, do yourself a favor and buy one. Man, they are good. Perfect thing after mowing. But if you can look, I don't know if it's focusing or not, I can't tell. There we go. It cut good. I mean, part of it's a sharp blade, but I don't know how you can see with the shade if it's washed out or not, but I'm perfectly happy with it. I think I'm going to have to rig something. I've got the wheels adjusted up as high as they'll go, and I think it still needs to be up one more notch. In St. Augustine, you know, mow it higher, it's going to die. So, but yeah, it mulched it really good, and I kind of looked in a couple of spots. You can't see any right here, but you can see the tiny, tiny little chunks of grass. So it is mulching. And I'm perfectly happy with it, you know. And the coolest thing is, that was a lawnmower that was, in 2 days, was going to be thrown in the back of a garbage truck and taken to the dump, crunched or whatever. So $4 for that piece of metal, and probably another $2 in carb cleaner, and just taking it apart and cleaning it, putting it back together, an oil change. And that thing's living again, man. It's going to keep on running, mowing somebody's yard, not mine, 'cause I got too many damn lawnmowers as it is. Oh, I'm saving it. I might be saving. I got about 3 of them I've got running now. Got an idea for a project coming up, but that's something for later. Hope it helps somebody. See y'all later. Get you a Fresca.